Hey, how's it going? Today we're gonna go about to draw one of those Fugler, funny, ugly monster teddy bear things. So, yeah, basically they're ugly, horrifying teddy bears. They're kind of horror related. It's gonna be real easy, I think, and for beginners. So if you're a beginner, stick around. And it's gonna be short, maybe like 8 minutes. You can watch. Also, there's a lot of learning from watching. It's also very entertaining to watch and hear me kind of talk about the process. So do either one, or you can follow along. So let's hop into it, okay? Gonna go over here. Draw curved shapes here for the eyes, because he'd be kind of a squinting character. Here. Curvature of those eyes like that. Right here for the top of the eyelid on that side, top of the eyelid on this side. Thickening that line out a little bit. Filling this in. Putting a little highlight there, and I'm gonna fill that whole thing in, like the whole black of the pupil is big. Not like 100%, like, but big enough. Remember, we're talking about like an ugly, scary teddy bear, right? So just kind of keep that in mind as we're doing this. Line underneath, line underneath. And they all have these really, really gross teeth. I hate them. But in real life, I mean, as far as like for this, I'm drawing these little square shapes for the teeth, because their teeth look oddly human. That's the whole point, is to make them look creepy by giving them human teeth. Whenever you give anything human teeth, it's just creepy. Case in point, that first version of Sonic, right, that came out, that everybody decided they didn't want, that they, you know, for the movie, and then they redesigned it to look cool in the movie. That first version of Sonic had these really bizarre teeth, and they totally got rid of it. Going over here, kind of give a little fur though. The other ones are kind of made of like, I don't know, like pillow stuff, but I think I'm gonna give them a little bit of fur. Go over here, draw a line across, and fill out the bottom. Over here on this side, curve right here for one ear, curve right here for the other. Excuse me, I have a little bit of cough left. Line down, in, just a bit. And down over here, curve out up, down over here. Kind of those creepy teddy bear hands. If anybody finds this actually cute, I am surprised, because I'm trying not to do that. So, leg, going down over here on the corner, leg, and curve underneath. Excuse me. Let's go over here. I'm gonna put a line for the color differentiation around the corner here. Pull down, curve around here, curve over here, pull down, curve around here. And we're gonna put these stitching right here, because it's supposed to be a teddy bear, right? So we're gonna draw these lines here and there to, you know, have the look of like there's like some kind of stitching going on, right? You see that a lot on creepy characters. I mean, it's also a lot of cute characters too, but that stitching, you know, obviously just kind of shows they're sewn together, right? And those are good places to put it, I think. So let's fill in some of the back there a little bit. One over here. You know, drawing the gums a little bit more down here. Don't forget, hit the like button, by the way, if you like kind of this bizarre drawing. Really helps the channel out. Also, go check out sketchingeasy.com. I'm going to put a lot of fun stuff on there. sketchingeasy.com. Go check that out. That is the official website to all of the stuff. You can see that. You can see a lot of lessons on there. It's going to be a lot of neat stuff. All right. Going on here. Line. Pulling up. Down here. Line. Up. Over here. Yeah. Sweet. Cool. Line over here. Line over here. Over here. Over here. Same thing on this side over here. Just kind of like adding these small details, right? When you add these small things, these textures, it just makes it look more rustic, more strange, you know, maybe a little hair coming out over here. You see a lot like on cartoons when someone wants to look creepy or gross. It's like this little lint, I'm assuming, for him. Little lint. I guess people just don't like lint. And it has this, I don't know, just kind of like internal effect on people. They're like, ew, lint, that's nasty. So, yeah, just something to think about. Pull some lines over here on the lower teeth. Yeah, I don't know why they made those things with teeth. I mean, I guess I know why, right? To make them bizarre and strange. What else could we add to make them look creepy? We'll put a line over here for the stitching on the leg here. I missed the ones on the leg. Line over here and below that. Line. Line over here. Just kind of, again, adding maybe more bags into the eyes. I could do that. I guess I'll put like a line right here, like that teddy bear line, right, where the mouth splits. That's pretty much it. I want to thank you very much. Don't forget to share the video. Sharing is caring. If you do like the stuff on this channel, you guys are the reason that I'm doing this still. You guys are so amazingly cool. Yeah, I want you to absolutely support the channel by sharing the video. I will talk to you next time, and I'll see you very soon, all right? Later on.
Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, you know, for example, on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff about learning how to do this stuff, you know, long term. And I get that. That's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both, but like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons. So you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month. Like 30 days, that's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very, very first link, that gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy. And the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up, and you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent, and you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it.